đi con worship tới đây là mình lấy hơi hơi nó kilo tới là mình chẳng đó lệ Mr. Nampe về kia cái chẳng đó lệ
Tình kim rami đã sông đã dài Rim nào đã ra bóng đại rama Tình kim rami đã sông đã dài Rim nào đã ra bóng đại rama Ahang bé tình mình sẽ Ahang bé tình mình sẽ Đại đầu nàng ngô ra Lai mi kêu lai ma peram kia Lai mi kêu lai ma peram kia Hey đại đầu nàng ngô ra Lai mi kêu lai ma peram kia Hey đại đầu nàng ngô ra Tình kim rami đã sông đã dài Rim nào đã ra bóng đại rama Rim nào đã ra bóng đại rama Con ya me a con me duy se Con ya me a con me duy se Hey đại đầu nàng ngô ra
We're all aimlessly living here. And whatever comes our way, we'll go with the flow here. I achieve the singule, I do singule, I have singule, have anui da gonna definitive and anui da gonna pen master. Could I pray and cope me? We adapt with times, or we just go with the flow. No, have a milongana a packet of singule have a map ahead. Every day, Banco Lila Mule, Nakaga, PA the gear. Hello, Biamana Binadu, pursuiters of a monko, Hankan Kelila Mule, and we come with them, and we own surrounding in the lay, and we own circle, and they have, and we know the lamule, can lose to observe the vlogger, and we go society to observe the way. Il est also maka inka government service no marida government service no mata it looks like I have no purpose in life here hedaga anui ilaya purpose ga gume ile lungla lenka za hebezena I mai sam sabaza nang nui hang le sada ile hang ro na sa ko le I our purpose per tolu da nang nui du per tolu lo heba mag le du Hebzina anui maiga anui go purpose na matewe rahasina rasam ki Colossians chapter 1 verse 16 age pi designa Rawazalamile for everything absolutely everything above and below visible and invisible everything got started in him and finds its purpose in him hele apple sam ki ge harasam ge pi designa Magdalena ngau ba ngau mak ba kdai prega kdai kanga bamza bam ba nina like harada gana Magdalena chule hele he and harago purpose hangzina form te wele hele le hebizigina when in the first nukaga question nerves what is the purpose of our life have to not it all starts with him and we have to glorifying him or patu pengevte beza anu purpose la lele Hebege agu study ina ma pi besa suiza purpose mengev la muile anui Christian matters or yes Christian matters anui go purpose ko law na first your plan for God's pleasure hele first of all, we have to anugu purpose harasui to miya ya hai harasui to miya ya hara ngel to dia ya anugu purpose la le and to worship him to worship Him and to make friends with Him, to make friends with God. Hey, I po anui he hara sui te miyai hara do worship te zaba mamba naka anui le ya he worship te zaba mamza ale harang ya te divid le hara sui te mi vid le, and making friendship with God. And this is what God wants, and this is our purpose. Hey, this serves our purpose. And secondly, you were formed for God's family. um harago family ge anui belong to ra, anui family go set up ye designer. Magta le na anui experience den sam le hai mi si min ki na te ibile te se abile mi sui se abile za, or our first that's pepele ya mi samsa pe rai lang bele ya mi go family gena nya le anui experience de be hai. Agoma anui go first and the last, or Proverbs ke leila mule charity begins at home hai. Agum mata leina chura baza family gina la lele he bazina agum family gu set up a bamba he baza haragu family ke anui bam rahang leza anui gu purpose la lele hello za cultivating community. Cultivating community hai na anui na ka ke church ke bamnu za anui community te za swika lukya kana hai haro za bamam bazle arza haragu purpose le, and protecting your church, restoring broken fellowship hai anui broken fellowship hai na haratam bia pi ma hang le tanki le tele what are duty. And let's look at from the lens of youth. Hai anu youth me bia pine pine ke anu youth no role hai dei tuna naka age BYF anu pung choi za ba mamba naka anu fellowship te za ba mamba anu worship te za ba mamle. This is like restoring broken fellowship hai anu hebana anu youth maramugu members marama harada kana devta cheese ba maba na aigumagu fellowship te begin le harada ka tai wang de, and this is also one purpose hai. So the third purpose in a dualter nebana, you were created to become like Christ. You were created to become like Christ, as a Romans chapter 8 verse 29 ke page na God knew what He was doing from the very beginning. He decided from the outset to shape the lives of those who love Him along the same lines as the life of His Son. We see the original and intended shape of our lives there in Him.
Susau gai se ba